Hello YouTubers, thanks again for watching my channel. I don't want to be long today. I'm actually about to get ready to go because I'm like super duper hungry. But today I just wanted to do a review slash tutorial on one of my ponytails that I own, of course. You guys, well, let's just say people who actually, the girls who actually wear drawstring ponytails probably already know what I'm talking about, but this one is the Freetress Jumbo Buntie Ponytail. I really like this one. It looks like this. These were, when I first got it, it was like on sale for like $4.99. You can get it from samsbeauty.com, shophairwigs.com, ebonyline.com. Those are like the main ones that I would actually shop on. This is like really simple. This is like the only, nowadays, this is like the only drawstring ponytail that I tolerate, and it only looks like this. It don't look like your normal drawstring ponytail with the, you know, with the combs in it that actually kind of just annoy you on the way. This is like really simple to put on. I've already got my hair gelled down, slicked back, put it in like one little braid and like wrapped it up in a little bun in my little rubber band. This is like really neat. It's very kinky. So what I kind of did to it, or what I did do to it, just flat ironed it so it can make it look a little bit more, I can comb through it a little bit more. I actually have this in another color, the DR27, whatever the color that, you know, it's kind of like half black, half gold. I also got one in like the burgundy kind too. I did have one in the slightly kind of like a bronze color too, but that one didn't turn out too well. It just kind of like, I don't know, that one's just gone. But I have this in a color too. This is like really simple to put on, y'all. You know how sometimes you actually just get like braiding hair and you put it like in a rubber band, kind of tied around, and you know, just kind of like put it on your hair and stuff. This is actually a much easier way to do it. So the work is already cut out for you. So what you do with this is just kind of loosen up the drawstring here. You put it on the back of your bun. So let's just say, all right, my bun's right here, right? And then I'm gonna take the drawstring and wrap it around my bun. And I'm going to tighten it. And then I'm going to just bounce the hair back. Now take the drawstring, wrap it around, get you like a bobby pin. Stick it. Great. Take your little hair. And I'm just going to simply wrap it around town. Get you another bobby pin and just secure it. That's that on that. And it looks like your real hair, like, because it's a natural texture to it. So it's the most amazing thing in the world. Sorry, I gotta find me a clamp. I normally like these little things. You can just go to Dollar General or something like that to go get it. And I normally use that for whenever I'm wrapping hair around my ponytail. So, and I kind of like to keep it hidden. But in a lot of times when I don't want to wear this down, I like to braid it, just put it in like one big braid and a little rubber band at the end. But that is all, you guys. Just want to show you how you guys can like really sport this particular ponytail. This is like super duper easy to do. It doesn't annoy you like a regular drawstring ponytail would with those combs, and you know, it doesn't hurt your head or nothing like that. You can sleep in this thing, but if you're gonna sleep in it, I recommend that you make a big old braid out of it or something like that. And then, or you could just wrap it around like a little bun. I mean, it is a bun tie, so you can just, you know, wrap it around in a bun. But that's all, you guys. Thanks again for watching my channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching the Red One TV. You guys have a great day. Bye.